Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this cutie stuff. This is the colorful silicone animal light, and if you want it will work, so you should turn on the switch. Very nice, it's not irritating you or something. So if you want to change colors, you should tap the second time, and as you see there are 7 options, 7 colors. So the colors also very soft, and it will be very nice for child's room, because like maybe it's for sleeping light, so it looks really nice. If you want to turn it off, just tap the third time, and that's all. If you don't want, it will be like, because if you just put it, options also is changing. So if you don't want this, you just turn it off, and that's all. So you can charge this light with USB charger. It's very convenient because you shouldn't buy new batteries. So you just can charge it with your laptop or usual charge. So again, so white light works 15 hours without charging, and if you will use this option, so it will work around 12 hours, and charging time around 3 hours. It's very convenient, as you see. So turn it off. And yeah, I forgot to say about material. Material is silicone. It's very soft. You can do whatever you want. It's so cute. And honestly, it's not just for children room, for child's room. I also want to buy this to my room. It's nice. You shouldn't sleep at whole dark room. You will use this, and it will, I don't know, save you from nightmares. So thank you for watching. I hope that you like this thing. I hope you like this video. So thank you. Bye bye.